In this video we're going to be looking at Windows Whistler build 2475. As you can see, the operating system is now identifying itself as Windows XP. We've got the Windows XP logo in the setup process, and this installation environment is now identical to that became part of Windows XP when it shipped. So notable changes from the last build are the green radio buttons in place of the orange ticks. This progress bar is now green. This progress indicator is now green squares, whereas it was multicolored lines before. And also the titles here have got a shadow effect on them, so they look slightly 3D. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let setup finish, I'll pause the video and we'll resume when the system's ready to boot. Setup's now rebooted, and as you can see we've now got the system identifying itself as Windows XP in the boot screen. You'll notice that the boot screen is not identical to the one that shipped with XP, but it's remarkably similar. Right, now Windows is not giving me a choice to adjust resolution this time, so I'm going to let it do it. I'll pause the video and restart to capture it again. Okay, it's changed the resolution. Interestingly, we've still got this outdated graphic now. Right, now this has changed. This looks much more like it does in XP itself now. So we've just got the rather boring help assistant instead of Merlin, which is quite sad. Now what usually happens at this point... here we go, yeah. We have the Windows welcome music now as well. I have to say, the Windows XP out-of-box experience is one of my favourites. Right. Okay. Interestingly, we still have the 2000 startup sound, despite all the other changes. They haven't worked on any of the sounds yet. Can't say I blame them. I think that the 2000/me startup sound is really nice actually. I've got it set on my Windows 7 machine. So here we go. As far as I know, this is the first build of Whistler to identify itself as XP. Build 2475. So some changes that you notice: no more bug report icons, just a recycle bin. We've now got the user picture and name at the top of the start menu, and we can click on it to go to the user accounts panel, as you can in XP. What I'm also noticing is that this system is slightly slower now, on the same amount of RAM that I've been using for all these builds. 256. What's this? Don't recognise that. That is definitely not an XP. There is a chest picture, but it's not that. I don't know what's happened to that. Yeah, so Windows XP theme. All the wallpapers that shipped with XP, as far as I'm aware. The screensaver has now become Windows XP. Now interestingly, we don't have any of the lunar recolors yet, we've just got the default, but they will come. Okay, so there we go, Windows XP Professional. .5.1. I'm not sure why it's saying version 2002, because XP shipped in 2001. So I don't know, was it just called version 2002? I don't know. When we got XP on our computer at home, we didn't get it straight away. I think it was about 2004 by the time we got it, so I wasn't really up on XP at the time during its development. I don't really know what else to do to show you. I mean, you can see these icons are all as they are in XP now as well. Yeah, they've got rid of that option to animate the start menu now, and it just pops up. There is no animate. Yeah, well, I was sure there wasn't. That's a shame. I wonder why they did that. Yeah, so this is build 2475. Let's see if there's a tour in this build. Now apparently the welcome screen in this build has a waving flag animation. Oops, wrong folder. So I'll check that. Right, now the tour is different now, isn't it? Here we go. Now I don't think I ever used the tour in XP, so feel free to let me know if this is what it looks like. I don't know. I don't have XP anymore, so. Temporary tool launch page. Right. Multimedia tool.
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows that brings your PC to life. Experience the best. Experience Windows XP. Safe and easy personal computing. Windows XP makes personal computing easy and enjoyable. Power, performance, a bright new look, and plenty of help when you need it. It's all here, along with unmatched dependability and security. Unlock the world of digital media. Unlock the exciting world of digital media at home, at work, and on the internet. Photography, music, videos, computer games, and more. The connected home and office. Share files, photos, music, even a printer and internet connection, all on a network that's private and secure. Best for business. With Windows XP, you get the proven dependability of Microsoft Windows 2000, enhanced for high-speed performance and even greater reliability. Windows XP really delivers. Just click on any selection to experience Windows XP for yourself. Thanks to Windows XP, personal computing just got a whole lot easier and more fun.
Slightly worried that I don't have any buttons now to exit the tour. That's slightly. But yeah, I mean that was nice. I don't know if that's what the tour was like in XP. Let me know, as I say. I can't remember much about XP. Yeah, so I mean, So this build is from the 24th of May 2001, and the last one I looked at was from the 23rd of March. So it was about 2 months, and during that time they've rebranded the entire operating system. They've got the tour done, or a tour done. You see we've got Bliss as the default wallpaper now as well. So I've just been having a look around some of the system files, just because I felt like it, and I found some interesting things in some of the system folders. For example, just some old logos that are still there, like the Whistler logo with the Me style imagery, and I found this, which was a file called Setup, an image file, which I haven't seen anywhere in the system, so that's interesting. Another logo, and again the same sort of 2000 Me kind of boxy Windows era design. And incidentally, if you want to know where you can get the Windows welcome music, if you're running XP, go to this directory, see Windows System 32 OOB images, so that's out of box experience, and it's the title WMA file. Okay, and it even has its ID3 tags. Credited to Microsoft, although I doubt. Microsoft don't make music, so but we don't know who wrote it, unfortunately. It's a really nice piece of music though. Yeah, so that was just an afterthought really that I wanted to add. Right, so I'll show you the welcome screen. Yeah, and there's the waving flag, which they dropped from the final version. Now, I quite like that. I think that's quite a nice touch, personally. Like the animated taskbar on the animated start menu when it's opened, I don't understand why they got rid of these little things. I think that just adds to the experience, if you'll pardon the pun. Yeah, so again, these dialog boxes are as they were in XP. So there's really nothing else to see in this build. So I'll do build 2481 next, and that's from June the 1st 2001, so not that long after this one, and there are some changes there which will become apparent when we cover it. So thanks for watching again. I'll see you in the next video.